Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use PhotoRoom to create online store banners using ready-made templates. So let's get started. First, open the PhotoRoom app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within it, tap on Start from Photo, then select a product or brand image from your gallery. As soon as you select the photo, PhotoRoom will automatically remove the background using AI, and as your image opens, you will land on the main editing screen where PhotoRoom organizes design in different sections. At the top, you will see suggested edits, edit with AI, and classics, while as you scroll down, you will see further more templates with different categories. You can preview the templates based on your preference. If you find the template that you like, you can just simply tap on it and it will open in the editor. From here, you can change the background color or image, as well as edit or add text. And if you want to insert logos or product image, you can simply tap on insert button and add the logo. Make sure to adjust or reposition it. Next, tap resize to adjust the banner size. Within it, you can choose custom dimensions or resize it from any other online store or platform. And after all the editing, when your banner is ready, tap save. On the ready to share screen, choose save to camera roll or export in SD if you are using the paid version. Then tap close design, where it will successfully add the image in your gallery and you can use the banner for your social media platforms. That's how you can use PhotoRoom templates to create online store banners quickly and professionally, which is perfect for promotion, home pages as well as social media stores. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.